Okay, let's go ahead and move on to lateral and total surface area. Let's go ahead and do total here. Remember, lateral means you take off the base. So in this case, total is every single surface here. So think about total like the composite figures that are in the questions above this. You're adding shapes together. So we have 5 different shapes. We're just going to put them all into one big one. If it's asking about lateral, we're taking the base away. In a pyramid, that's going to be the shape in the middle, or the shape that's not a triangle. Over here, if you look down here, the 2 sides that are sticking out are my bases, unless they tell you the bases are ones that are shaded in. Let's go ahead and get started. So here we have a square pyramid. So let's go ahead and separate our shapes. We have triangles, but we know that all of these are going to be exactly the same. So we only have to find one and multiply it times 4 because we have 4 of them. For the second shape right here, my base, I only need this one just one time. So when I analyze, that's what I'm going to do with my first shape. Get the area of shape 1 and then multiply it by 4. Now, I'm going to go ahead and look in my formula chart to get my formulas. I have a triangle. Look for the title where it says area. Look down to triangle. My formula is 1/2 base times height. So now that I have my formula, the first thing I'm going to do is substitute. I keep my 1/2. My base goes from here to here. Because this is a square, I know that all of these sides are going to be 14 times my height. So from my base to the top. Over here, they already told me what my height is, 16. So I'm going to multiply, then divide by 2 because I only want 1/2 of that. When I get that answer in my evaluate, I'm going to multiply that times 4 because I have 4 different triangles. So I'm just going to make them in little shapes so that I remember what they are. This is going to be the area for the triangles. Now I'm going to go ahead and get the area for my second shape, the square. So I just need the second area 1 time. I'm going to look at my formula chart. The formula for a square is base times height. So my base is 14 and my height is also 14 because this is a square. So all of my sides are going to be the same. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply these. Whatever I get is going to be the answer that I want because I only have one of those shapes. When you have both of your areas for your shapes, just add them together. Add the area for all of your triangles plus the area for your square. That's all you need to do. Go ahead and try the next one and the one following.